Hello, and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 8th grade concept of ordering numbers. This is standard 8.2D in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 18, which is a new item type called Hotspot of the 2023 released STAAR test. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we have hotspot. We need 3 answers. So watch. Let's just say it's these 2 answers. If I try to move on, it is going to show me an error message. I've only selected 2. If I select these 3 and try to select a 4th, you'll notice it's impossible to select a 4th. So this really does want to have you select 3 problems. This is a 2-point question. So this is how it works. If you want 2 points, you get 3 correct, right? If you want 1 point, you need to get 2 correct. 0 points is if you get obviously 0 correct or 1 correct. So just getting 1 out of 3 isn't going to get you anything. So let's get all 3 correct here. We simply need to find something that is greater than, right? X is greater than 28 over 5. So you know what I'm going to need? I'm going to need my calculator quite a bit. So let's move that right there. I want to visualize it like this. I'm going to make a number line here. And I'm going to assume that these answers are going to be kind of similar to 28 over 5. But I'm going to just go ahead and convert everything into a decimal. Because if I can't convert it into a decimal, it's going to be very difficult. I've got radicals. I've got improper fractions. And I've got actual decimals. So let's do 28 over 5. All right, 5.6. So I'm going to put that in blue up here. So that's my marker. I want 3 that are greater than 5.6. So I'm looking at anything kind of in this range right here, since this is greater than. That's what I'm looking for. All right, so let's just start knocking these out here. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and put that 4.7 and 5.28, I can go ahead and put those on, right? So 4.7 is going to be down here. And I'm just going to go ahead and write that in red, but I can also write it in blue. I want to put my decimals up here. So 4.7 is not going to work because it's already too small, okay? So that's a no. 5.28 is going to kind of fall in between those two, but it's still going to be too small. So I've already knocked out 2. 5.28. 5.28. Too small. All right, so converting into decimal made it super simple. -8. Wow. All right, I don't have space for that. If I want to make it proportional, like probably zeros here, and I don't know, maybe -8 is way over there. Like, I didn't make it large enough, but that is definitely not going to work. All right, so without even converting anything, it looks like I've got 3 answers. Now, obviously, we're not going to be satisfied with that. Let's go ahead and calculate these out. Okay, so square root of 34. Right, so you can hit your second, your square root, then you type in your 34. All right, so 5.83-ish. Okay, so I'm going to put that, it's going to be very close. I'm going to put that square root of 34 because that's, just round it to about 5.83. All right, so definitely an answer there. All right, so let's do the next one. Okay, 2 times the square root of 11, so we're going to type it in just like that. Let the calculator do the heavy lifting. 2, hit that second, grab that square root, and then it's going to be the square root of 11. All right, 6.63. All right, so that works. So I'm going to put that over here. That is going to be a little bit bigger. 2 square root of 11. That's the 6.63. And then what's that last one? 19 over 3. 6.33. Okay, so 6.33. That is my 19 over 3. That works. All 3 of those are the answers. So we're going to grab that one and that one. Those are my 3 answers.